Nail Care Guide. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll delve into the secrets of maintaining healthy and beautiful nails. Whether you're a nail art enthusiast or just want to keep your nails looking neat, this guide is for you. Let's get started. The first step in nail care is shaping. Using a fine grit nail file, gently shape your nails into your desired length and style. Remember, always file in one direction to prevent splitting. Next, soak your nails in warm, soapy water for a few minutes. This helps soften the cuticles and makes them easier to push back. Once your cuticles are softened, gently push them back using a cuticle pusher or a wooden stick. Avoid cutting your cuticles as this can lead to infections. After pushing back your cuticles, pat your hands dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing vigorously, as this can damage the delicate skin around your nails. Now, it's time to moisturize. Apply a nourishing cuticle oil to your nails and massage it in. This helps hydrate the nails and prevents them from becoming brittle. Before applying nail polish, always start with a base coat. This not only helps the polish adhere better but also protects your nails from staining. Now for the fun part, applying nail polish. Choose your favorite color and apply thin, even coats for best results. Allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next one. Once your nail polish is dry, finish off with a top coat. This adds shine and prolongs the life of your manicure. Finally, don't forget to moisturize regularly. Apply a rich hand cream to keep your hands and nails hydrated and healthy. And there you have it, our complete guide to nail care. With these simple tips and tricks, you can keep your nails looking fabulous all year round. I'm Minhu, signing off. Until next time, stay beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.